Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to print airline tickets from Expedia. Whether you're preparing for an upcoming trip or just want a physical copy of your itinerary for peace of mind, having a printed version of your tickets can be incredibly useful, especially when traveling. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will give you access to your account where all your bookings and trip information are stored. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar and click on Trips. This section houses all your booked travel plans, making it easy to access everything you need in one convenient location. Now, although I don't have any trips booked at the moment, I'll show you what comes next. Once you're in the Trips section, you'll see a list of your upcoming trips displayed on the screen. Select the relevant trip you want to print from this list. This will open up the full details of your booking, including flight times, confirmation numbers, and all the essential information you'll need. Alternatively, there's another way to access your itinerary if you prefer working from your email. You can check your email inbox and look for the confirmation email that Expedia sent you when you made your booking. Open that email and click on View Full Itinerary. This link will redirect you to the same detailed trip page, giving you access to all your travel information without needing to navigate through the website. Once you have your full itinerary displayed on your screen, locate and click the Print button. This is typically positioned near the top right of the page or can be found under the Flight Details section. Clicking this will open up the Print Preview window where you can review how your document will look once printed. In the Print Preview window, choose your printer from the drop-down menu. Make sure you've selected the correct printer, especially if you have multiple devices connected. This ensures your document goes to the right place. Next, you'll want to adjust your settings if needed to make sure everything looks perfect. For example, you might want to select Fit to Page to ensure all the information is clearly visible and properly formatted on the printed sheet. This option helps avoid any text being cut off or looking too small. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks in the preview, click Print to output your itinerary and tickets. Your printer will begin processing the document, and within moments, you'll have a physical copy of your airline tickets ready to take with you on your journey. And there you have it. You've successfully printed your airline tickets from Expedia. Having a printed copy ensures you're fully prepared for your travels, even if your phone dies or you lose internet connection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.